Okay, so this is our question number 4 from Leetcode SQL 50, article views 1. Okay, so here's the question. So we have this table called views, and these are the columns. So we have article ID, author ID, viewer ID, and view date. And then these are the data types. And then there's some information on the table. For example, there's no primary key, and each row of the table indicates that some viewer viewed an article. So it'll show you like if there's an article and if someone viewed that article. So it has the viewer information as well as the article information. And here's the question. So we have to write a solution to find all authors that viewed at least one of their own articles. Return the result table sorted by ID in ascending order. Okay, so it should be by ID in ascending order. And the result format is in the following example. So here's the example input. So in this case, what we are trying to do is we are trying to find all the authors. So we have to find the author ID here that viewed their article at least once. So we have to find the author IDs. So here's the author ID that viewed at least one of their articles. So for example, in this case, we have the author ID 3, but there's no viewer ID with the same. So we have to find one where author ID and viewer ID is matching. So that means the same author is viewing their own article. So here we have 7 and 7. So here's one example, and then 7, 6, not this, and then we have 4 and 4 here. So we have these two, 4 and 4. And then what we have to do is we have to sort them by ID ascending. So we have to sort the column. So this is what we have to do. So I'm going to select author ID, and then we are going to give it an alias because it's called ID here, not author ID. So I'm just going to say as ID from our views table where. So in the where condition, I'm going to say where author ID is the same as the viewer ID. So that means the same person viewed their own article. So the author viewed their own article, which is the question. So the author that viewed at least one of their own article. So where I'm going to say where author ID equals viewer ID, and then we have to sort it by ID. So I can just say order by author ID, and then I'm gonna leave it as is because by default the order by is ascending, so I don't have to do anything. If we were to sort it by descending, I would put descending here, but if I leave it out, that means it's ascending by default. And this is a select, there's a typo here, so let me run this now. Okay, so I got a wrong answer, so let's see what's going on here. So the output is 447. Oh, okay, so we have to do distinct values here. So the expected answer was 47 and mine returned all of them, so 447. So 4, I got the author ID 4 twice. So what I have to do is I'll just put a distinct here, and that should do. So let me run it now. Run successfully. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and thank you for watching.